You want to push Thomas? Yes. You want to push Thomas?
He's like the ground of this tree.
This tree is way more fun.
The thing's hanging off of it and I can reach it, unlike the one at our house.
Here, hold this and take it. Okay, Austin. Nice. Okay, up we go. Up we go. Here you go. Whoa, what a big boy. Let's go around the corner. There you go.
Hey, buddy. You come around here? I'll come this way. You come my way.
Okay, gotcha.
Tumbling.
Gotcha. That was a good roll. That was a rock and roll. Did you get that on camera?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Good catch, Grandma. Good catch.
Hi.
Hi.
Awesome. Yay! Awesome. Yeah. So I'm very proud of myself.